how to contact Uber Eats customer service. So I'm going to show you two methods. For the first one, if you're using the app, you can just go and click account in the bottom right corner, then help. Then you will choose the type of help category that you require. Here I'm just choosing whatever, and it is going to show you the form which you can use to submit. Also, what you can do is open up the browser on your phone and search for Uber Eats customer service, and the first website will be help.uber.com. You want to click on here and you can choose the type of help category that you require. For example, here we will click help with an order, and then we will choose past order, and you can choose the type of help that you require. You can change the tip, and here, or let's just choose another one, food damage or quality issue. If you scroll down, you can apply a picture, or sorry, you can attach a picture and also share details, and you will click on submit. And that is how you contact Uber Eats customer service. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.